Hey, Sam here, and this is Storeless. Well, not what's on your screen at the moment. This is an example of how effective Storeless can be. Okay, this is a store. This is a shop that sells juice. So this is like a diet juice to help with health and well-being. Okay, it's quite hot in the health and fitness niche at the moment. However, this is a shop here. As you can see, lots of different options in a store. Okay, the website is actually full of quite a bit of content. Okay, so if I go over to cleansers, you can see different information about cleansers. If I go to the about section, different about section as well. Now this is your typical sort of store for e-commerce products as well. Okay, so this is technically an e-commerce product. It is selling online. The problem with these sorts of stores is they only convert at about half, 0.5 to 2%. That is because people are quite overwhelmed when they come on them. There's a lot of different choices to make. They don't really have any guidance of where to go, and they're sort of left feeling quite indifferent. Now let's jump over here. This is another tab. As you can see, this is a focused sales page just on juices. Okay, so as you can see, it's got scarcity up the top. It hones in, talks about a 30-day supply, so the person doesn't have to choose between this. They know, 30-day supply, like sweet, I'm set for a month, and it would have copy to relate to that to make it seem like the obvious choice. A few benefits as well, a few key features about it as well, and then some testimonials from users, and then a simple way to be able to buy it. Okay, super simple, super easy. Now the good thing about these is this focus sales page allows actually boost conversions by at least 5 times as to what a store does. Okay, so the conversion rates from something like this is about 15 to 20%. That is because people come on here, they get the information they need about the product they need right there and then. They aren't too confused, or there isn't too much of a broad selection for them, so it's super easy for them to just hone in, read in, and buy. Now, how do you do this with e-commerce products? Because the problem with e-commerce products is you need a solution like Shopify, or you have a full-blown store online. But considering I just showed you a store that doesn't convert, this is where Storeless comes in. It is a brand new software that allows you to be able to create these sorts of pages to be able to sell e-commerce products individually with a focused sales copy. Okay, this helps boost conversions, but it also helps boost traffic. Okay, because if you are paying or you're researching traffic to be able to go onto this site, you're going to have to reach a broad range of people, and then being able to target what they're actually going to be landing on is quite difficult, because they're going to be on an informational website, they're going to be all over the place. With this, you can run ad sets that hone in on people who just want to buy this. They don't want to buy anything else, they don't want to buy another bigger range of products, they just want this. Okay, so this helps boost conversions. Now, being able to build out these products is super simple. You don't need a store, you don't need Shopify, however it does integrate with WooCommerce. You can build out each individual sales page as seen on here within the software. So let's take a walk through the software, build out a page and a funnel as well. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the dashboard. It has all your analytics. This is a brand new demo account, so apologies if it is a bit scarce looking on the statistics front. However, let's go into, let's have a look at the funnel. Okay, let's load it up. So here it is. We can build out a funnel here. So if I go new funnel, I can just call this one the demo funnel. So we can make a full-blown funnel that has multiple pages within it. So now I'm in it, I can see I've got no pages, so I'm going to click new page, and then from here I choose a page that I want. So there is a number of different layouts. So if I go the supplement one like we just saw, I click on that and click use this template. What I'm going to call this one is I'm going to call this the juice page 1, okay, just for the sample, and click create. Now this is going to have it load up the page builder. Cool, so the live editor is just loaded up here. As you can see, it's populated itself with all the content that was on the that we have just seen online, and also the content from the thing. So if I go elements, if I go onto the left here, you can see I can add elements anywhere I want. So if I want to add a video in, I just click on video, and I can choose what type and drag over a video box. Okay, so that's going to put that in here, and it's populated it all from here. Now I can reset this if I go through and edit it. So to go and edit it, I click content up here on the top, and then I select the content I want to edit. So I can just write in demo. Oops. Demo text. Okay, so I can just write in any content I want to put in there, and click Save Content, and that'll add it in. It's the same with all the elements. You can go through and do that as well. Quite simple with the content. If I go Details, I click on this banner, and you can see I can change the size of it, I can change the background color, I can swap out the image. So it's quite a cool, simple to use builder. Once I've done all this page, I literally build it out about all the information, and I can save it, I can publish it, and have it ready to go. So I'm going to click Continue, and we've saved that page. Cool, so I can publish that as well, and that would be the sales page for my store. Now let's jump back in. So that is the page. Simple with the page builder. So this brought us back to the funnel, so I can build out as many of these pages as I want within this sales funnel. So I could have follow-up pages, OTO, upgrades that I want to do as well. Now, what about the products? How do we do the products? Let's click on the products tab on the left. So this is the products tab, super simple. You can add in a group of products. So if I go new group and I just call this one juice, I'm going to click create, and that has created a group of products. Now what I can do is if I go new product on the right here, you can see I can choose the product group. So I've got a hoodies group and a juice group. So I'm going to call this one green juice. And the product price is going to be $27. So I just put that in. Product description, I'm just going to write product demo description for the sake of this demo. And then what I can do is go checkout mode, and I can choose my checkout solution. So I've got PayPal hooked up here. However, you can hook up Stripe and things like that as well. We'll take a look at that in a second. Now that I've got the product in, I can add product variations. So I can call this a 1-pack and call that $27. I can call this 1 week and 1 week's worth. Okay, I can go 2 weeks and make that $37, or I can make 1 month or month supply and call that one $47. Super easy, all done. Now you can choose their shipping requirements as well, and then select the email list. So I can put this on any email list that I have here. So I'm just going to choose another one. I've got Aweber integrated here. Successful purchase redirect. So I'm just going to put www.demo.com. So this could go on to upsell pages as well. You can come back and edit this at any time. Failed purchase as well could take to a different page to make them go through it again. We're going to go support@demo.com for a support email, and we're going to write www.demosupport.com for the URL. Okay, and then we can choose a checkout option. So we've got first checkout, simple checkout once they go through to get that, and click save. So that is done. That is one product added. I can go through and add as many products as I want to my juice page, and then I can go into my sales funnel page and go through and edit my page and add my content in to the buy section as well. So it's very easy to be able to add individual products. It's not like Shopify. You don't have to build out an entire store like this. You can just add simple one page, one single product, and then build out a page to go with that product with payment processes. Now let's go into integration. This is all your payment processes. So you've got Shopify, WooCommerce, PayPal, and Stripe. You can all connect up with e-commerce. Autoresponders, a big selection of these as well, and you can edit the various connected platforms. You can connect, disconnect as you do whenever you want. Now this is very, very cool because it means you don't have to put all your products in Shopify. You can and use the products. However, you can just do payment over PayPal via email or Stripe. Super, super simple, letting you do it without a store. So that is basically Storeless in a nutshell. What it is it allows you to be able to sell individual e-com products via a sales page built within this. You can build out a full funnel for them if you want as well, very quickly and easily to boost conversion. So check it out in detail on the page down below to find out more about how Storeless can help you boost your e-commerce conversions by doing it in a simplified format and keeping up with the times. This is Sam. It's been my pleasure to show you through this software here today.